Hello everybody and welcome back to Creative Retreat Street. Today I will be trying to make the forever roses. So essentially you're going to pick your ribbon that you would like. I actually got this ribbon at Hobby Lobby. This is a wired ribbon. I didn't like the regular ribbon. You can do it in the wired ribbon, but you are supposed to use just the regular ribbon. So essentially you want it to be a card length. Then you're going to cut it, and then right here I'm just folding in the edges using hot glue. Just be careful because I have burned myself numerous times. Now I used essentially about 14 petals per flower or rose. You can do less. I know you can do 12. I've done that before. But essentially I use 14 just because I like the way it looks. It's a little bit fuller and it's so much prettier, okay? I'll be honest with you, it took me probably about, to make one rose, it probably takes me about 5 to 8 minutes. Just depending on what I'm doing. So it does take a while, but the results is awesome. I love doing this project. It was amazing. And if this is your first time at my channel, I do welcome you. And I do want to say thank you for stopping by. I love everything to do with holiday decor, DIYs. I basically try to do almost a little bit of everything. If you are coming back to this channel, welcome back and thank you so much for your support. If you can go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, it does help my channel grow. So I did pick up some spray adhesive and then also glitter at Hobby Lobby. Now here I am sticking my rose, the bottom part, through a piece of paper, just because you want something on the back of the rose so that way when you spray the adhesive, it doesn't go everywhere. Trust me, do not ask me how I know that. So just utilize that piece of paper. I did put some of that glitter on a paper plate and I spread that out a little bit. I just have a base here. I actually picked this up at the Dollar Tree. The way that I'm going to arrange my roses is going to be a little bit weird. I can only get some of the footage on the screen. So I just picked one of the flowers. I stuck that in the middle. And then I actually am going to go around that white flower with the pink flowers, but essentially about 6 of those. If you see the little gap, it's perfectly fine. What I used is tape and I actually just taped it together, and then I just moved the petals or the roses around so that way there's not much gaps. Now I am using this a floral wrapping paper. I did pick that up at Micheal's, and basically I just want to cover up the base. So you can use hot glue, just be very careful. I put it on the low setting so that way it does not burn. Here I'm just playing with it. I don't really know what I'm doing, okay? I just want to know. I just did something that I felt like looks good. So here I'm just going to be making the sides. So I just got one of those, the wrapping paper, and I kind of tilt it Yep. And then I folded it so that way I have 4 corners. Yep, just like that. And then I did use tape. So essentially what I'm doing is, you can't hardly see it, but I'm just placing it on the side. You will see me turn it over just like that because I want to see the height of it. So once I felt comfortable with that, I just essentially just taped it to one of these sticks. And I used probably about 7 of these folded up just like that. And I just placed that all the way around, and it turned out great. Here I'm just making a simple bow. At the bottom of the base, I just folded it like a gift, making a simple bow, and I'm putting that at the transition from the base and the actual bouquet. And I used the same ribbon that I used as the petals for the roses. I did pick up some butterflies at Hobby Lobby. I thought that it turned out really, really great, and it matched this piece perfectly. But essentially, that's what it looks like. They're white. I know you can't hardly see it, but they are white with iridescent sparkles, just like that. And I did put that in the middle. Again, I'm not great at the bows, guys. Okay, no judgment. Anyways, so then I just placed that onto the bouquet. Try to put it on camera, and just simple hot glue, again the lowest setting, just so that way it don't burn the paper or anything. And it turned out amazing. I love doing this project. I actually did this for a family member for Valentine's. They absolutely loved it, and I loved it too. I'm just putting a little bit more extra butterflies to add a special touch, but again, love this project. You can make this for anybody. Just hit that like and subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comments below.